Today I'm going to show you how to create content using an HTML editor with Desire to Learn. First, you're going to see that we're in the Content tab of the Desire to Learn course that you're in. Right now we're in the table of contents where we input all of our modules before. So we've got our week 1 module, week 2, week 3. We also have our sub-modules, homework, and quizzes. For right now, we're going to go and add an assignment to our homework module. In order to add an assignment or begin creating our content, we're going to click on New, and then we're going to go to Create a File. So now this is our HTML editor. Here we can enter a title for our assignment. And here is where we'll add our content. There are different editing levels that you can use. You can create a large heading for the overall assignment. You can add different subheadings. Or you can add just simple text description, like in a paragraph form. Additionally, there are other ways that you can edit text. You can change the font family here. Pretty much anything like a text editor, you can do, like change those settings. You can make it bold, you can underline it, italicize it, etc. And in addition to manipulating the text and changing the settings with that, you can also add tables. Simply just draw your table here. We've got 4 columns and 4 rows, and this highlighted square will be what you create in your table. And then you can add and change the different settings for your table. So you can add rows, you can add columns, you can also remove columns, and you can remove rows, or you can just delete the table altogether. You can also add other files to your HTML. You can insert videos from a variety of different places, like your computer, insert URLs, YouTube, or you can add links. This can be a URL all the way here down at the bottom, or you can just connect it with other course materials that you've created in Desire to Learn. For this video, I'll show you how to upload images. So here we're going to go to this camera that says Insert Image when you hover over it. Click on the camera icon. You can add images through URL, through course offering files, which is other files in Desire to Learn. But for right now, we're going to do it through our computer. Here's where you can drag and drop images. If you have files on your desktop, you can just drop them here, or you can click Upload. Once you upload it, once you click Upload, it will take you to the File Explorer. Click the file that you are hoping to use, and then click Open. I've used this file before, so it may look a little different when we are adding it, but for right now, we're going to go ahead and click the Add button on the bottom left-hand corner. It'll also ask us to provide alternative text. Right now, type in something that describes the image, or select it to be a decorative image. And because we have duplicate files with this one, I'm going to go ahead and click Overwrite the existing file and Save. And here we have added our file to our assignment. Now, once you're finished, you'll want to go ahead and click Save and Close here down at the bottom, this blue button, if you're finished with creating your assignment. Then once it's saved and it's closed, it'll open up some other options for you. You can re-edit the HTML by clicking this button, Download Print, or you can also select the visibility. You can toggle, make it hidden, or you can make it visible. You can also add dates and restrictions and descriptions.